Each timing and direction exhibits a different symmetry. Together time, same direction shows a doubling effect. With your hands together or apart, you see two of the same thing. Split time, same direction has a central symmetry. Wherever your hands are, the poi heads are relating to the center from opposite sides. Together time, opposite directions has a vertical symmetry that matches the center line of the human body. Notice that if you separate your hands along the line of symmetry, the effect will not be apparent. Finally, split time, opposite directions has a horizontal symmetry that matches the axis of the shoulders. With your arms up and down, the poi heads meet in the center. With poi in opposite directions, you can change the axis of symmetry by changing the timing of the poi.
The way your poi relate visually and spatially is entirely dependent on how far apart your hands are. You can hold your hands apart at any distance, but where you'll notice important interaction will be at a harmonic proportion of a poi length. Watch. Starting with our hands 0 poi lengths apart in split time, the next time we hit a harmonic proportion is at 1 poi length apart, creating the famous shape, the vesica Pisces. Moving farther, the next important distance is 2 poi lengths, where the poi heads meet. By the time you've reached 3 poi lengths, the two orbits are completely separate. In the driving styles chapter, we describe how different proportions of the same move create different poi paths. In the same way, the difference between a loop and a stall is just proportion. A stall is like a loop, but with a particular hand motion of 1 poi length. With a different length, the poi would keep moving. Another place proportion theory gets applied is when the hands lock together, or when a hand locks onto a poi head, thus setting up fixed relationships between them.
Using different proportions can add a different flavor to your patterns, or it can help you change the symmetry relationships in interesting ways. Take a shape you know and try it on a different scale. We show more proportion examples in the driving styles chapter.